thanks for tuning in to another video. Things are still starting to get exciting. I realized I've never really told you guys or asked you guys, but if you guys have any questions about you know, what my plans are with my truck, or what I've already done, or what my uncle's done before I bought it from him, just let me know down in the comments, and I'll comment back and maybe even put stuff in the videos. I don't know if I ever showed you guys my puppy. She's oh man, she's getting old. She's born on January 2nd. But this is Lila. Hey, Lila. Do you want to go play with Gidget? Do you want to go play with Gidget? Gidget's my parents' puppy. She's an Aussie Doodle, and my parents' is as well.
I'm tired of this, Grandpa.
That's too damn bad! You keep digging!
So I just finished sanding, and so hopefully we can get another layer on those soon. But right now what I'm gonna do, if you guys can remember, in one of my last rocker panel videos, how I showed you guys how it looks like when they were lifting the other Chevy LUV I got this picked up off of. It looks like they bent it a little bit, and so right now what we're gonna do is try screwing those rocker panels to my dad's workbench, and we're gonna see if we can get those straightened out. Now, if you guys remember what it looks like, you guys can go back, or maybe I can show it in editing, but I think it's already looking a lot better. I don't think we're gonna get it perfect, but my dad here says it doesn't need to be, so.
Several days later.